Hi everybody, so I am back today with another video and this is going to be the Purplle Concealer Palette review. So currently the makeup that you see right now on my face, I have used the palette and I've used tried to use most of the shades in it, like the contour, the conceal, and to correct my dark circles. So I will be showing you the video right now. Just fast forward through the entire video so you can see the application and in fact the entire look that I'm wearing right now, and then I'll meet you once we're done with the full tutorial. Alright guys, so now let's start with a review. So the palettes that I picked up these two palettes. The first one is the Special Agent 3 and the second one is this, which is the Field Agent 4. Now if you look at both them, I'm keeping them side by side, you will see the Special Agent 3, the colors are much darker than the Agent 4 palette. Honestly speaking, both these palettes do not match me, but of course that is the idea for having multiple shades. So you mix and match. That's what I have done. I've mixed mostly in the entire tutorial. I've used the Agent 3 palette, only the Field Agent 4 and the top two shades, which are the lighter concealer. I've just used that, but most of the entire video I've only used this particular palette. Before we head into the price of this palette, I just want to give a comparison of the other palettes in the market of the similar kind of concept, like having a concealer palette with a corrector and a contour, everything in it. So I'm just grabbing my phone and I've opened the Nykaa app. So I will start with MAC Cosmetics. Now MAC has the concealer palette which costs 4,450 rupees. You see, it's the same kind of concept. So it has these 6 shades, one corrector, one brightener like a yellow concealer, one will be a contour shade, and then they have 3 mix of different concealers. So this, like I said, the MAC is costing 4,450 rupees. Then we will go to NYX Cosmetics. When I look at NYX Cosmetics, so they have the same palette which costs you, this is the one, let me just see. This palette will cost you 1,325 rupees. Now talking about the NYX palette, I own the NYX contour palette in deep, and honestly I hated it. I mean, it would crease immediately as soon as I would put it under my eyes or anywhere, and the consistency was very thick, extremely thick, and I found it very hard to blend. It was just impossible to use. In fact, I used it in a IGTV video which I posted on my Instagram, and in that video, when I was doing it, my under eyes was creasing so badly that I had to redo the entire base makeup. So I just discarded that product. It was just absolutely so difficult to work with. So I don't have it anymore. But yes, that is another brand that has this particular concept of a contour palette. And the next brand that has a palette like this is Nykaa. This is a Nykaa palette. Nykaa palette will cost you 1,200 rupees. And then the fourth brand that I'm aware of that has something like this is PAC Cosmetics. So the PAC concealer will cost you 1,395 rupees. Now coming back to the Purplle concealer palettes, the MRP for these concealer palettes for each palette is 750 rupees, and I got it for 675. So in short, I got both these palettes for the price of one. Coming to the formula, I absolutely love these concealer. I am a fan of these palettes, and I think I will use them more often in my videos. I would definitely recommend to get this palette if you are looking into a palette that is like this kind of palettes with the conceal correct. So yes, that's it. I hope you liked the video, and I will see you soon for another one. Bye bye.